PGA Tour may depose leader of Saudi wealth fund. The leader of Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund, Yasir al-Rumayyan, may be forced to testify to PGA Tour lawyers following a federal judge's decision in a case involving the LIV Golf series. This decision could reveal details of the public investment fund of Saudi Arabia's operations. The decision, made in California after an interim legal dispute over sovereign immunity and the reach of Saudi law, may reveal details of the wealth fund's operations and the power of its governor, Yasir al-Rumayyan, over its foreign investments. It is expected that the wealth fund will request a federal judge in San Jose, California, to review Judge Susan Van Koolen's decision, who is helping oversee the legal conflict between the PGA Tour and LIV Golf. In her 58-page decision, parts of which were made public on Thursday, while the sides discussed their confidentiality, Van Koolen wrote that it was clear that the wealth fund was not a mere investor in LIV. Instead, the judge wrote, the wealth fund was the driving force behind the foundation, financing, supervision, and operation of LIV. Al-Rumayyan, she wrote elsewhere in her request, was personally involved and himself performed many of the wealth fund's activities to create and develop LIV. Last year, LIV Golf, backed by billions of dollars from the Saudi fund, attracted a handful of elite PGA Tour players in exchange for some of the most lucrative contracts in the sport's history. However, the signings of important players, including Sergio Garcia, Dustin Johnson, Brooks Koepka, Phil Mickelson, and Cameron Smith, revealed much about LIV Golf's ambitions and the motives of the wealth fund for investing billions of dollars in a company that McKinsey & Company warned was far from a sure bet. The PGA Tour and its supporters claim that the Rebel Series is promoting a diluted version of the game and helping Saudi Arabia distract from its human rights record. Although much of what has been learned in the litigation remains secret, the PGA Tour has described LIV Golf as routinely subservient to the whims and desires of the wealth fund and al-Rumayyan, a self-proclaimed golf fan who is close to the de facto ruler of Saudi Arabia, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. The prince is the chairman of the wealth fund.